Top 5 apps like Botcom reviews that actually work today. Botbcom is famous for car and gadget competitions, but most people get this wrong by assuming it's the only option. The surprising truth is there are apps that offer verified sweepstakes, contests, and gaming rewards. Here are 5 that actually work today. First, Amaze provides charity sweepstakes with verified prizes. Users love clear rules, big prizes, and transparent results. Second, Lucktastic offers scratch cards and contests for real rewards. Customers highlight verified payouts and easy gameplay. Third, Prizable combines surveys and sweepstakes for rewards. App users report reliable cashouts and multiple reward options. Fourth, Swagpix provides contests, surveys, and shopping rewards. Users appreciate verified earnings and flexible redemption options. Finally, Publishers Clearinghouse offers sweepstakes and daily prizes with verified winners. Users praise transparency and official recognition. Pro tip: always check verified rules and payout history before participating. This ensures your time and effort are rewarded legitimately. Using these apps, you can safely enjoy contests, sweepstakes, and rewards while avoiding scams or fake competitions.